empty plate on the table, two chairs facing mine. I keep one place open, like you're walking in on time.
I fold your faded sweater, hold it to my chest. Every stitch a story,
every thread a restless breath. It is painful to live without parents.
Every night I call your names.
When I remember you, I'm awake till morning.
Tears just talking with my pain.
This lonely bed,
Too high,
too cold, I reach for your blessing. Find only my soul.
It's painful to live without parents,
and my heart keeps crying your names.
People say I look stronger, but they don't see me at 3. Talking into the darkness.
Are you still proud of me?
I laugh like I'm living,
But inside I break into.
every little victory.
I wanna bring it back to you. It is painful to live without parents.
Every night I call your names.
When I remember you, I'm awake till morning.
Tears just talking with my pain.
This lonely bed,
Too high,
too cold, I reach for your blessing. Find only my soul.
it is painful to live without parents.
And my heart keeps crying your names. If love could build a stairway,
I would climb into your arms.
if prayers could turn to doorway,
I would run through every wall.
but all I have is memory,
And this ribbon holding me,
slowly rocking through the sorrow till the dawn sets my heart free. It is painful to live without parents.
every night I call your names.
When I remember you, I'm awake till morning.
Tears just talking with my pain.
This dancing floor
Feels like home.
we hold each other.
So endless alone. It is painful to live without parents,
But your love still lives in our bones. Mama,
Papa,
stay in my heartbeat
stay in my heartbeat.
till we dance again.